students. In this video you are going to learn about oxygen react with hydrocarbon and rusting. So reaction with hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbon, what is the hydrocarbon? So in the name you have to understand, it has hydro and carbon. So hydrocarbon is nothing but it is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrocarbon contain carbon and hydrogen, that is called hydrocarbon. So the hydrocarbon react with the oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water vapor. So all kind of the fuel is made up of hydrocarbon, all kind of the fuel, petrol, diesel. So these are made up of hydrocarbon. So the hydrocarbon is burned with the oxygen, they converted into carbon dioxide and water vapor. For example, wood, petrol, diesel, LPG. Wood, petrol, diesel, LPG, etc. These are the fuels. When they burn in oxygen, they produce heat with the light energy. Heat and light energy. Hence they are serve as a fuel. When they burn in oxygen, they produce heat and light. Hence they are serve as a fuel. So hydrocarbon burn with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and water vapor plus heat and light. So next one is rusting. So all of you are aware that in our home itself we are observe the rusting of iron. So we are using iron article in our home. So due to the raining season, in raining season the more moisture present in the atmospheric air. So the oxygen and more moisture will spoil the iron article. So they react with the iron, they form rust. The rust chemical name is hydrated ferric oxide. That means iron combined with the oxygen and the water vapor, they converted into ferric oxide. What is the formula of ferric oxide? Fe2O3. So the process of conversion of iron into the hydrated form oxide in presence of air and moisture, they are called rusting of iron. So already I explained the name hydrated ferric oxide. Rust they otherwise called hydrated ferric oxide. So Fe is the symbol of iron. 4 iron molecules, 4 iron atom combined with 3 moles of oxygen molecule. 3 into 2, 6 atom is present. So totally combined. So we have to balance that. So that's why we have to split it 2 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So Fe2, 2 Fe2. So 4. Okay. So from the reactant side and the product side we should balance. In reactant side we have 4 iron. In product side we have to balance it. That's why we put 2 in front of the equation. 2 into 2. 2 multiplied with 2, 4. So 4 Fe is balanced. Then oxygen 6. Okay. In the reactant side, in product side also we want to balance. So in front of the equation we have 2. It is common for iron as well as oxygen. So the 2 is multiplied with 3. 2 into 3, 6. So the oxygen subscript you have to put 3. So 2 multiplied with 3, they will get 6. So 6 oxygen. 2 Fe2O3 is the formula of rust. What is the name? Hydrated ferric oxide. So then the atmosphere have the water vapor. So you have to put X. X means we cannot count the number of water. So we have to put X. So Fe2O3, XH2O is the rust. X is the number of water molecule which is variable depending upon the atmospheric moisture. So next one is uses of oxygen. It is very important, students. So what is the uses of oxygen? So it is used as a oxyacetylene cylinder. So in the diagram, last diagram we have the oxyacetylene cylinder. Okay. For cutting, welding metals, we have to welding the metal by using the oxyacetylene cylinder. It is used for cutting, welding the metals. Then next use, it is used to remove the carbon impurities. Oxygen is used to remove carbon impurities from the steel. Steel have the carbon content, so those carbon content is removed by using oxygen. So the oxygen is used to remove carbon impurities from the steel. And next uses, plant and animal use oxygen from the air for respiration. So already we know that all the living things using oxygen for respiration. So plant and animal use oxygen from the air for the respiration. So and another use, it is used as a rocket fuel. Oxygen also used as a rocket fuel. So from the diagram they explain fuel in rocket. Okay, oxygen used as a fuel in rocket. And it is used for artificial respiration. Okay, so already I explained you, it is used by the deep sea divers. The cylinder contains helium oxygen mixture. So in the depth of the sea, from the cylinder they are using for respiration. So scuba divers, they are called as scuba divers or mountaineers, astronauts, patients. They need for respiration. They need the oxygen for respiration. Okay, so from the cylinder itself they are using. That's why they are called artificial respiration. So it is used for the artificial respiration by scuba divers who are used for respiration. Scuba divers, mountaineers and astronomers and patients. Next, the mixed with the powder charcoal. Oxygen mixed with the powder charcoal used in the explosives. Oxygen mixed with the powder charcoal, it is used as explosives. Then oxygen is used in the synthesis of methanol and ammonia. Oxygen is used in the synthesis of methanol and ammonia. So these are the uses of oxygen. So what are the uses? So once again I repeat, it is used, oxygen is used for oxyacetylene cylinder for cutting welding metals. Then it used to remove carbon impurities. It is used to remove the carbon impurities from the steel. Plant and animal using the oxygen from air for respiration. Oxygen used for rocket fuel. The artificial respiration by scuba divers, mountaineers, astronauts and patients. Mixed with the powder charcoal used explosives. Mixed with the powder charcoal, oxygen mixed with the powder charcoal used as explosives. Then last one, it is used for synthesis of methanol and ammonia. Okay. So next gas, nitrogen. So oxygen gas we learn occurrence, physical property, chemical properties and uses. Next we are going to learn about the next gases, nitrogen. So nitrogen is one of the most important element. Nitrogen is most important element. Animal and plant, they need nitrogen for their growth. Animal and plant, they need the nitrogen for growth. So all living organisms including human being, all the living organisms contain nitrogen. So it is an essential element. Oxygen, nitrogen is present in protein, nucleic acid. Okay, so nitrogen is essential element present in protein, nucleic acid, which are the building block of all the living organisms. So all the living organisms having the cells. The cell is having nucleic acid and protein that is made up of nitrogen. So it was the first isolated from the air by is isolated the nitrogen from the air? Daniel Rutherford. Which year? 1772. Daniel Rutherford is isolated the nitrogen gas first in 1772. And the name nitrogen is derived from Greek word. The name is derived from Greek word. Nitrogen and gene. The meaning, I produce nitrate. So nitrate is potassium nitrate, the compound of nitrogen. Potassium nitrate is the compound of nitrogen. So Anton Lavoisier suggested the name azote, A-Z-O-T-E. Anton Lavoisier suggested the name is azote. From the Greek word, meaning is no life. So without nitrogen, no life. So it is a Greek word. Lavoisier suggested that azote. What is the spelling? A-Z-O-T-E. So next one is that occurrence of nitrogen. So oxygen present in our earth. So nitrogen is fourth most abundant element in human body. Nitrogen is fourth most abundant element in the human body. So major amount of the fourth position of nitrogen present in the human body. So it accounts for that about the 3% of the mass of human body. About 3% of the mass of human body contain 3%. Nitrogen contains 3% in the human body. It is thought to be the seventh most abundant element in the universe. From the universe you have to count, it is the seventh most abundant of the element. So Titan, the largest moon of the Saturn. Titan, the largest moon of the Saturn, has an atmosphere is made up of 98% nitrogen. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn. So it is made up of 98% of nitrogen. So nitrogen occur both free state as well as combined state, exist independently or combined with the other element. So nitrogen exists freely in the atmosphere, exists as a dinitrogen, that is called diatomic molecule. Nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule. It is present in volcano gases. Nitrogen present in the volcano gases. And the gas evolved by the burning of coal. When we burning the coal, the nitrogen gas evolved. Nitrogen is present in combined state in form of the minerals like nitrate. Example, potassium nitrate. What is the formula? KNO3. And Scheele saltpeter. What is the name? Scheele saltpeter is named NaNO3, sodium nitrate. It is present in organic matter. Nitrogen present in the organic matter like such as protein, enzyme, nucleic acid contain nitrogen. Organic matter such as protein, enzyme, nucleic acid, all are contain nitrogen. Next, physical properties of nitrogen. Physical properties of nitrogen. It is colorless. Nitrogen is a colorless gas, tasteless, odorless. Colorless, tasteless, odorless gas. Nitrogen is a colorless, tasteless, odorless gas. And lighter than air, slightly lighter than air, soluble in water, dissolved in water. Nitrogen become liquid at low temperature, look like a water. Nitrogen become liquid. Normally nitrogen exists as a gas in room temperature. At low temperature it is converted into liquid like water. When it is freeze, it become white solid. Nitrogen is freeze, it become white solid. It is neutral litmus like oxygen. Nitrogen is neutral to litmus. So the litmus paper converted into blue color means it changed into red color, or red color means changed into blue color. But litmus do not react with nitrogen, so the changes does not take place. That's why they are called neutral. So oxygen also neutral to the litmus, do not react. So next one is the chemical property of nitrogen. Chemical properties of nitrogen. So first one is chemical reactivity. Nitrogen is inactive at ordinary condition. Ordinary condition it is inactive. The reaction does not active. Inactive means does not active. So less reactivity. It combines many elements at high temperature. Nitrogen only react at high temperature with other elements and high pressure. High temperature and high pressure only they react with many elements to form new product in presence of catalyst. High temperature, pressure and catalyst. So next one is the combustion. So nitrogen is neither combustible nor supporter of combustion. So neither combustible nor a supporter of combustion. So nitrogen does not involved for combustion. Okay. So nitrogen in air the moderate the rate of combustion. Nitrogen is neither combustible nor supporter of combustion. Next one is the reaction with the metal. The nitrogen react with the metal like lithium, calcium, magnesium. Nitrogen react with the metal, lithium, calcium, magnesium, etc. At high temperature, they form their corresponding metal nitride. They form metal nitride. When a metal react with the nitrogen, they form metal nitride at high temperature. For example, calcium react with nitrogen. 3 moles of calcium react with the nitrogen diatomic molecule. They form calcium nitride. What is the formula? Ca3N2, calcium nitride. Reaction with the non-metal. Nitrogen also a non-metal. They react with the other non-metal like hydrogen, oxygen. They at high temperature they form the corresponding nitrogen compound. What are the compound? Non-metal react with nitrogen, they form nitrogen compound. For example, hydrogen combined with the nitrogen, they form ammonia. 3 moles of hydrogen molecule, 1 mole of nitrogen molecule, that is nitrogen is a diatomic molecule, combined to form heat at temperature, they form ammonia. So how we have to balance that? We have 2 nitrogen in reactant side. So in front of the equation we put 2. Okay. So what is the symbol of nitrogen? N. So we have to put N. Then we have 6 hydrogen, 3 into 2, 6 hydrogen. So here also we have to put 6. So the in front of the equation is 2. 2 is common for nitrogen and hydrogen. The 2 is multiplied with 3. We have 6. So hydrogen you have to substitute, you have to put 3. 2 into 3, 6. So 2NH3 is formed. So 3 moles of hydrogen molecule and 1 moles of nitrogen molecule combined to form 2 moles of ammonia at high temperature. So next one is the uses of nitrogen. So what are the uses of nitrogen? Liquid nitrogen used as a refrigerant. Okay, in air cooler, in AC, air condition or refrigerator, they are using the nitrogen gas is used as a refrigerant. So for the air conditioning compressor is filled with the liquid nitrogen gas, so used as a refrigerant. And it provided an inert atmosphere for conducting certain chemical reaction. So nitrogen is inert atmosphere. Nitrogen provides an inert atmosphere for conducting certain chemical reaction. Conducting certain chemical reaction is conducted in a inert atmosphere. So nitrogen is used for that. Then preparation of ammonia. So ammonia is prepared by Haber process. Ammonia is in the last equation we see that it is a preparation of ammonia. How the ammonia is prepared? 3 moles of hydrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen molecule combined to form 2 mole of ammonia. So it is a Haber process. So the ammonia is converted into nitric acid. Ammonia is converted into fertilizers and nitric acid. So ammonia is converted into urea. Urea is a nitrogenous fertilizer, and ammonia is converted into nitric acid. Nowadays it is used as a substitute for the compressed air in tire. So all of you are aware that. So instead of air we are using nitrogen gas. So nowadays it is used in the substitute for the compressed air in tires. So next one, it is used for the filling the space available mercury in high temperature thermometer to reduce the evaporation of mercury. Nitrogen gas filled the space above the mercury. Nitrogen gas is filled the space above the mercury in high temperature thermometer. Why they are filling? The mercury evaporation will be stopped. The mercury evaporation will be reduced by filling the nitrogen gas above the mercury. Okay, so it is used for the filling the space above the mercury at high temperature thermometer, reduce the evaporation of mercury. Many explosives such as TNT. What is by TNT? Trinitrotoluene. TNT expansion is trinitrotoluene, and nitroglycerin is also an explosive, and gunpowder contain nitrogen. TNT, nitroglycerin, gunpowder, all are containing nitrogen. So many explosives contain nitrogen. Many explosives contain nitrogen. Example TNT, nitroglycerin, gunpowder. The last one is, it is used for the preservation of food. Nitrogen is used for preservation of food. Manufacturing of stainless steel, reducing the fire hazards, and as part of the gas in incandescent light bulb. So it is inert nature, that's why they filled in incandescent light bulb. This gas is filled in light bulb. So nitrogen used as a preservator for food, manufacturing of stainless steel, reducing fire hazards, part of gas in incandescent light bulbs. Thank you, students.